Getting rich is a complex and multifaceted goal that depends on a variety of factors such as your skills, resources, market demand, and a bit of luck. Here are some tips that might help you. Develop a valuable skill. Identify your strengths and invest time and effort into developing a valuable skill that is in demand in the market. Examples: data management, analytical thinking, knowledge of financial ERP software, financial management. Find a niche. Look for a niche that is underserved or untapped, and focus your efforts on becoming the best in that area. Be entrepreneurial. Start your own business or invest in one that has growth potential. Invest wisely. Learn how to invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. Save and live below your means. Consistently save a portion of your income and live below your means to accumulate wealth over time. Network. Build a strong network of contacts and collaborate with others to create new opportunities. Learn from successful people. Study successful people in your field or industry and try to learn from their experiences and strategies. Keep learning. Continuously educate yourself about new developments in your field and explore new opportunities for growth and innovation. Start by creating a budget. To become rich, it's important to understand your current financial situation and how much you are spending and earning. Creating a budget can help you identify areas where you can cut expenses and save money. Increase your income. Finding ways to increase your income can help you build wealth faster. This could involve negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or pursuing education and training to qualify for higher-paying jobs. Seek out mentorship and guidance. Surround yourself with people who are financially savvy and can provide guidance and mentorship. This could involve seeking out financial advisors, joining networking groups, or attending seminars. Develop a strong work ethic. Becoming rich requires dedication and hard work. You need to put in the time and effort to achieve your goals. At last, remember, building wealth takes time and effort, and there are no guarantees. It's important to be patient and persistent in pursuing your financial goals.